How you doing? Looking at Tycho crater. It belongs right there on the moon in the north hemisphere. Yep, same spot. It belongs right there in the northern hemisphere. Located in the northern hemisphere. At the bottom in the southern plains of the moon. Alright, so everybody seems to agree with that. Here's Charmania. Looks like Tycho crater's at 3 o'clock. Then over here it's at 8 o'clock. Looks like it's all over the face of the moon, to me. Not only on her channel, but near-Earth objects also, for years, has been documenting the same flip every night. Your moon's doing a cartwheel every night. Every night. And it shouldn't be. Now, it's very evident, though, from rise on the eastern horizon to set on the western horizon, this thing is doing a 180-degree roll every night. See, climate change. Earth has knocked off its axis. Now, NASA and all these geologists say Earth's axis has shifted. Dun, dun, dun. Massively. Massive shifting. They also claim the moon is out of orbit and its wobble. The moon wobble in orbit may lead to record flooding on Earth. The moon's wobble, I'd say it's doing more of a cartwheel. Either way, I'll take it over pseudoscience, like, oh, I don't know. Let's see. This guy doesn't even understand the physics of shadow and light, and he wants to try to sell you gravity and magnetism and electric too. The moon does not roll 180 degrees, he says. This guy actually takes pictures that he printed, puts them on a wire, lays on his back like a drunk, and then he goes over here trying to sell people his subscriptions. It's one of the craziest things. Membership scroll. Let me tell you something. If you're following this guy, you're following lies. Just completely made up, absolutely fabricated lies. The piece of shit sits there. He goes to the extreme of taking a printed picture, tying it to a wire, laying on his back, and claiming that is proof that the moon isn't doing cartwheels. When you can see clearly, Tycho crater is about 3 o'clock on the moon face at rise, and it's about 10, 11 o'clock on the moon face at set. It is doing a 180-degree roll. It should never leave the 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock position, but here we are with picture proof that it is and has been. Yet this guy wants to sell you a fucking lie. Obviously, his physics in general suck. The moon doing a cartwheel with the fucking divider shadow rolling like that is literally light and shadow physics. It's third grade shit. It's Blue's Clues. And he can't even get that right? You gonna pay this man for fucking physics and a fucking membership, huh? Have fun with that.